Guys, it's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, which means it is another episode of Followers Friday. If you don't know what Followers Friday is, that is when I choose an Instagram follower of mine at random and choose a look of theirs again at random, and I have to attempt to recreate it no matter what. Yeah, if you guys have been watching this series, you know what I go through. So if you'd like to see who today's lucky follower is, then you'll have to keep on watching. I'm sick. Sorry, guys. If you're new here, hey, what's up? I'm Leslie. Hi. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you know when I upload, and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, let's see who the lucky follower is this week. You guys, I have the cutest Victoria's Secret pink sweater on. It has the logo on the back with the gay rainbow. It matches my gay rainbow Victoria's Secret pink underwear. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up a picture. This is the cutest sweater ever. Anyway, back to the task at hand. You guys know the deal. It is Followers Friday. Let's do the Followers Friday song. Ready? A 1 and a 2 and a... It's Friday. Oh yeah, it's Friday. Yeah. My god, that took so much energy. My pneumonia bronchitis was not happy about that. So you're welcome. So today's follower, let me grab my notes, goes to Brittany, and her Instagram is Brittany Hoffman _. She does amazing cut creases with bright colors, lots of neon. She does some drawings on her eyes, puts pearls and shit. Like, she's super creative. She uses all the colors that I love, so I was excited to land on Brittany. And she's also a self-taught anyway, and I love to give shout outs to us little people, because we never get noticed, and we should. All the big players, we're done with them. Yeah. If you want to be considered for the next Followers Friday, then you've got to be following me, right? My Instagram, all my socials are listed down below in the description box. Go and follow me as soon as you're done watching it. Let's do this. Okay, let's get into this, shall we? Please excuse the way that I sound, and if I hack my brains out, I am sick again. Alright, youngest has pneumonia, and I'm pretty sure I have it too.
Got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ever since last year when I got the pneumonia and the bronchitis together, my lungs have been shit ever since. So whenever I'm sick now, straight to the chest. So just a little disclaimer, okay? So we're going to be using Jeffree Star's Blue Blood palette. I have my aligners in too. And we're going to be taking the Conspiracy palette as well. Let's begin. I had a bit of a hard time trying to match her blue, because her blue was more of like a seafoam blue, and I just couldn't get it quite right, so I did the best that I could, okay? So eyes primed with the Anastasia base, not set. The first color we're going to dip into is Flourishing out of the Blue Blood palette. Blue Blood palette. Fuck my life. We're going to stamp this bad boy all in our crease. It's everywhere. By the time you guys are seeing this, your favorite cameo teenager, aka my son, has turned 16. Yesterday was his birthday, and yeah. Of course he thinks he's even more hot shit now because he's 16. La la la. We'll let him think that. All right, so I'm keeping with the same brush, and then I also went into Blue Monday and added that. And she has such pretty eye makeup. Like her cut creases and the colors. Ah, just my favorite. I love a good cut crease. I love a good neon, and she has nailed it. Now we're gonna start adding a bit of the lighter colors in. So we're gonna take some of Mint Tea and some of Blue Blood and mix it in the kitchen like the stir fry. So, what are we doing this weekend? Y'all know that I ask you that every week. Every week. I'm hoping that I feel better and we can finish up our Christmas shopping. Although lately in my old age, I prefer to shop online. I hate going out and dealing with people and crowds. So I have most of what I need. We just need a few like little things here and there. I can't believe Christmas is like 2 weeks away? A week and a half, something like that. I don't know. It's fucking close. Are you guys done with your shopping? Going back in with just mint tea now. Are you guys done? Do you procrastinate like me? The big stuff I try to get early, you know what I mean? Because shit gets sold out the closer it gets to Christmas. And then having to shop for Jay's birthday and Christmas. Girl. Linda Rooney. And I'm not that parent that's like, oh, here's your birthday and Christmas present all in one. Like, I'm not that parent. You get something special for your birthday and you get something special for Christmas. I think it's only fair. You know what I mean? I think, no offense, but I think that that's a cop out. People that do that. Like, that's not nice. Dipping into I'm cold. Adding that more so towards the top. Excuse me. Fuck, that hurts and it tastes like metal. Have you guys ever had that when you're sick? Like your cough tastes like metal? It's the grossest thing ever. My brows didn't want to cooperate. I tried to use the brow thing again from BoxyCharm and I can't. I give it one more shot. I'm done with it. All right, let's take the blending side and a tap into mint tea. We're gonna blend over the top. Okay, so switching over to the conspiracy palette for the yellow, she put a smidgen of yellow just under the brow bone and it looked a little shimmery. So we went with food videos mixed with ranch. How funny. Food, ranch. Get it? Okay, anyway, popped it just under here. What do you think? I'm in a good place for right now. Still using the Anastasia base and going back into the conspiracy palette, we're going to take a food videos about halfway across our lid. I totally forgot to dampen my brush. Anyway. I'm bringing it all the way up to the crease line, but don't take it all the way out to the end. She's got that space there. And now we're going to take food videos again mixed with ranch because of that yellow of hers looking like it's got a little shimmer in it. So we're going to make our own. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. The Jaclyn Hill highlighters. Every review that I've seen, they look fucking incredible. So, do you guys think that I should get them? Let me know down in the comments, or actually I'm going to pop a poll up here somewhere. Do you want to see me get them and talk about them, or are we kind of done? Like, I have a shit ton of highlighters, and I don't feel like you can ever have too much. Which you probably can, but not me. Okay, I'm going to leave that alone for now. You get this one little crease right here. And we're going to fill in the outer corner again with the blues from the Blue Blush palette. Fuck my life. So I just pretty much mixed the same colors we used. I mixed Flourishing with Blue Monday first. Now make sure that you leave a little space for the yellow, because she does have the yellow. Just go right here and stop. Okay, now let's go in with Mint Tea and I'm Cold. Okay, take a dip into Deceased. Trying to be really careful right here. And leave that little space right there. Okay, let's work on adding the yellow in that line. Oh, come here, conspiracy. Now I'm taking food videos on a little lip brush and filling this in. Just about right there. Do any of you guys follow Dustin or Nick or the drama channels like that? Have you guys seen what the fuck is going on Twitter with this It's Tea Time, I think is the name of their channel? They're fucking bitches.
There being a lot of outbreaks of bitch assness.
All they do is sit there and be catty and talk shit to people and talk about people's kids and yada yada yada. Like, they're full-on bullies, and I hope to God that Dustin slaps their ass with a cease and desist order and defamation of character. They're fucking ratchet. I'll show you. I'll insert like a clip of them. You're gonna be like, ew. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Exactly.
Okay.
Y'all sad.
Y'all
but
said
whatever.
one big room full of sad bitches.
Who do you think you are? I'm all for a mean girl, don't get me wrong, but you take it way too far when you start talking about people's kids and their relationships and doxing and this, that, and the other. Like, they've taken it way too far, and it's been going on all week. Like, don't you guys have anything better to do? And add some ranch in. Like, I know you need the views, but like, you're making yourself look real dumb. And I hope y'all see this. Real dumb. I get it. You guys are young and you think you're the shit. But somebody needs to knock your asses back down to earth. And I hope to God it's Destin. Rant over. I think we're looking pretty good. All right, I'm gonna take the little brush that we had the blues on. I'm not gonna take any extra product. I'm just gonna fill this in. I grabbed my handy dandy Jeffree Star eyebrow brush and dipped into Flourishing and kind of carved out this line just to give it more depth. And a dip into Blue Monday. This is seriously the best brush for line work and precision stuff. Like, fuck an eyebrow. I love this brush for that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take a little pop. Does it look like she had some yellow glitter in there? So I grabbed the Honey palette just real quick. And I took some of Palooza and just tapped that in the center. Now, remember, Palooza is not eye safe, even though it's in an eye palette. So use at your own risk. Let's fix this side too. Okay. Underneath, we are going to use a yellow liner in the waterline, which mine's gone at this point, so I'm going to redo it. And smudge, I smudged Deceased and Power and Flourishing together underneath the eye. And yeah, so I'll finish that and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? I think that I did fairly well considering the state of my health today and the amount of no energy that I have. Yeah, I mean, still the blue's kind of throwing me off. Like I said, I don't have the color that she had, so I did the best that I could. I still think we did a really good job. I threw on a natural lash. This is the Lily Lash in the style CEO. These are the ones we got at our BoxyCharm a couple months ago. No, I am not an affiliate with Lily Lashes, although I wish I were. Lily, holla at your girl. Anyway, I just did a light blush bronze highlight moment, all out of the Tarte's Pro Glow palette. And on my lips, I aligned with my NYX liner in Pale Pink. I went in with my Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in Sellout. Never that. And just in the center, guys, I already told you about getting lipsticks on these eyeliner. They don't come off. Anyway, just in the center, I popped a little bit of the Anastasia lip gloss in Moon Jelly. So this is it. This is the end of this week's Followers Friday. Make sure that you head over to Brittany's page and show her lots of love. You guys know how we do. So if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. All right, you guys, have a great weekend. Get your Christmas shopping done. I'll see you later. Bye.